this is really me. Gosh, I would not do well like this at all. Just looking like this. Oh my. Well, you see, I performed this miracle. That's why Christopher got into this business. Wasted 20 minutes doing all of this, and gosh, I really wanted to get out of the house earlier. Five, 3.
166.
Oh, I don't weigh that much.
All right.
No, shut up. I'm upset. Never at the doctor's office. Mom. Never. I don't care. Well, of course.
Posture, shapewear, heels and hair. 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 Plato said that beauty resides in the proper measure and the proper size of parts that fit harmoniously into a seamless whole. In other words, we're pleased when we look proportionate, but not so happy when we do not look so good. If you've read my book, Staging Your Comeback, A Complete Beauty Revival for Women Over 45, you know that in Chapter 4, I talk about how to create your balanced silhouette.
All right, Joann, do you normally step in?
I mean, I don't think
Oh, okay. Do you step in or do you go down?
Very dangerous. Hot, tough shit, baby.